One of the things that we struggled with from kind of an engagement metric was transparency, and as a whole, I think we've struggled with accountability for a while. So we wanted to address both of those things. We as we went down that path, we realized attendance was probably one of the lowest hanging fruit to be able to do that. But we wanted to do it in a way because it is so forward facing, right? It touches every team member within the organization. We wanted to make sure that we did it in a way that was not only responsible to our team members and the business, but also was had the tools in place to kind of combat what we realized was the actual root issues, right? And some of the root issues was a lack of transparency, not only amongst leaders but also amongst team members themselves. And all of our tracking metrics were Excel spreadsheets, right? We ran the entirety of our attendance policy via Excel, and and we needed to get away from that, right? There was obviously inherent problems with individual departments, individual teams managing their attendance based on just Excel spreadsheets that were stored in different places, that were formatted in different ways, and they were kind of unique to each individual department and sometimes each individual team. So in order to make sure that we went forward with kind of the most efficient solution that we could possibly get, we realized we had to kind of rebuild a lot of the internal processes, as well as just, in addition to just re-releasing an attendance policy, right? We could re-release an attendance policy and try to fix it, kind of from a forward-facing standpoint. But if we didn't do the things to kind of back that up on the system side to be able to address the root causes of the issue, then we were going to end up back in the same place, just with a new system. So we've worked to tear it down, add value and reduce waste from the process itself. And we've implemented TeamSense as well as a couple other scheduling platforms to be able to, or in the process of implementing a couple new scheduling platforms to be able to kind of address the root causes of the issues we were experiencing.